It's not real, I don't even wanna go back home.
Good morning, guys. So we just got done. Well, I just got done getting dressed. Here's my bikini for the day. So we're going to do this activity. I forgot the name, but you're gonna see very soon. And guess what? Today is October 25th, which means it's my birthday. I'm turning 24 today. So happy birthday to me. But yeah, here's my outfit for today. Well, not my outfit, my swimsuit for today. We're gonna take some nice pictures. So we're about to go get some breakfast before we leave the resort to go to our activity for the day. And yeah, it's my birthday. I'm excited. I have a little collar on.
Can I just catch up in Costco?
Eating my breakfast. Rushing. We only got 10 minutes to eat. So right now I'm just sitting down. We just got done eating. We're waiting for the bus to pick us up to take us to the place that we're going. And yeah, it's currently 9:46 in the morning. It's supposed to be here at 9:50. The pickup's supposed to be at 9:50, so I guess it should be here soon. I'm super excited, guys. I can't believe that I'm 24. I'm getting old, man. But it's okay. So the bus is here, guys. We're leaving. You excited?
Yeah.
Thank you. You're welcome. Hello.
So we're gonna stop at this little shop. So nice.
Yeah, something sweet.
Sure.
Stir it.
You
Have a
twin?
sip. You also sip
No.
that one.
No, it's birthday, so it's not.
Now this time.
I got this little cute bracelet that says Jamaica, and I got some shoes. What do you got, Sosa?
Got some shoes,
Let
and
me
I got like
see.
a little
Oh my god.
kitchen thing.
Mine,
Yeah,
it
the
broke.
bag broke.
It broke?
Yeah. I mean, I was it the wrong way. Who knows? Yeah, I was it
broke?
the wrong. No.
Oh.
Oh, the thing inside of it? I don't know. Let me try.
Well, then we'll give you a new one.
It did.
It broke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was it? It was the kitchen.
Oh man.
What's the thing called?
A spoon rest?
Yeah, spoon rest.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Mm-mm.
Oh yeah, it broke.
It broke.
Oh man. So we just got here. We're about to do some river rafting. Oh, the water's cold. Go through here.
Step around, step around. And you step up here.
Liz.
Sosa. Sosa.
Yeah.
Sosa. Liz.
Liz and Sosa. Mesa.
Sam.
Mesa. Okay.
Sam.
Nice to meet you. Hey guys. Show them like the view. The water feels so good, but it's so cold. She came in. So we just got back, guys. We're about to go get some lunch now. Hello. Yeah, because we're hungry. Can't wait to eat. Look at my face, so sweaty. So I just got done eating. I forgot to record. Now I got myself a drink. She's still eating. Hey, why are you being shy?
Oh, I'm eating.
Oh, thank you. Now we got a shot. This one smells like the one that we got the other day. Like, it smells like lime.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Go, 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 go. Now Ryan is making his way right
outfit. Here's my dress. My dress is from Polly. I wish I can see my hair. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. What to go out to eat now?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
So we're finally about to go eat dinner. My outfit is so cute. So we got some sushi for entry and I got some wine. And I'm about to try the sushi. Hopefully it's good. So here's the food, guys. I already ate some of my food because I forgot to record. And yeah, basically got some noodles and some shrimp. And she got the same thing. Can you take a sip of the wine, please? Fancy. Tasty. I already finished mine, so I'm waiting to get it filled. But yeah. But let me be honest. Like, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the wine. I got like 2 glasses, so I'm kind of like a little tipsy, if you know what I mean. Look at my eyes. But it's all good because, you know, it's my birthday, so it's all good, period. I'm 24, and whoever has to say, whoever has something to say it to me. Now! Guys, meet my friend Juan. Hi Juan. Meet my friend Juan. Hey guys, so we just got a drink and I think this is gonna be it for the night. I'm not gonna record anything else for tonight because I don't know. I just wanna enjoy myself, you know? Sometimes you don't wanna record everything. Plus I'm kinda lit, so I don't feel like recording. But I might record something else later on. But if I don't, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I got a mojito. It tastes really good. Amazing. Good morning, guys. So today is the next day, and we just got ready. We're about to go eat breakfast, and we're doing some activities today. We're doing a horse ride and some other stuff. Here's my swimsuit. My whole set is from Pretty Little Thing. So pretty. And yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys while I'm on my way to eat. And yeah. So we're outside now. It's so sunny. I love it. Look at this lighting. About to eat some breakfast because I woke up so hungry today. I don't know why. But this lighting is amazing. So we just got our breakfast. This is what I got for breakfast. She got some fruits. And we basically got the same. And then we got some drinks. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. You feeling good today?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're about to eat. So right now I'm sitting by the pool. We're kind of waiting to get picked up. I think the bus is coming at 12:15 to take us to the activity that we're doing today, which I'm super excited. We're doing like horse ride through the ocean. I mean, not the ocean, through the beach. So that should be fun. And then they have like an infinity pool by the ocean, and they have some swings inside the ocean. So I'm super excited, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna wait here. I don't want to go in the water because I don't want to wet my swimsuit and they have to go on the bus, and you know, it's too much. I just ordered me a drink. I got me a pina colada, no liquor in it because I don't feel like drinking. I'm kind of tired from last night, so I don't really want to drink alcohol, so I just got a virgin pina colada. So that's the update. Just waiting for my drink and waiting to get picked up. Yeah. I love my swimsuit. Like, these colors are so freaking beautiful. Pretty Little Thing. So we're finally in the bus, and it came super late. Isosa's kind of upset because she didn't get to eat. It was supposed to be here at 12:15, and it came out. What time is it?
Like at 12:45.
12:45, so 30 minutes late.
And the place is 45 minutes. We would have been there by almost like 10 minutes from now.
Because the place is kind of far. It's like 45-minute drive, so. Yeah, that's the update. So I'll probably talk to you guys when we get there. And yeah, we finally got here 3 hours later. I took a nap on the bus, man. Tired. Horseback ride swim. Finally.
That's a bit ideas for you.
I know, right? I have a big head.
You ain't got a big head.
Oh, you got a smaller size.
I got a bigger size. Not too tight. That fit good.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Try this out.
One more fine.
First time in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You like it here?
Yeah, I like it here. It's
You got
nice.
friends in Jamaica?
No.
Your legs over, sit in the center of the saddle for the horse, got comfortable.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey guys, so we just got back. We got back a little late. It's 6 o'clock now, nighttime. So we're about to go get something to eat because we're starving. Well, I don't think he's so is hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah? No? I'm starving. So we're about to get something to eat finally. It's been a while since we ate. So we're actually not gonna eat dinner. We're just gonna have like a little snack. And then later on, when we go shower and get dressed, we're gonna have some dinner. I got, some fries, fried chicken and pizza. And after this, we're gonna go get ready for dinner. Hey guys, so we're about to go get some dinner because I'm kind of hungry. Well, we are. And yeah, let's see what we're gonna do tonight. Hopefully we can do something fun because it's our last day. We're leaving tomorrow, so hopefully there's something to do tonight, So, but I'm gonna talk to you guys when we get to the restaurant. Peace out. I look cute with my makeup. I'm a Barbie girl, So here's what I got for dinner, guys. I got some pasta. Yo, look at the table with the flowers, so cute. She got some shrimp, and then I got a drink. I love it. So I'm about to try my pasta now. Let's see. Hopefully I like it. I think I will though. It's good, it's good, it's good. Now let me try the drink because they brought us a drink. I don't know what's in it, but we're gonna try it. It's good, a little strong, but it's good. Good morning, guys. So it's currently 9:20 in the morning and we're getting some breakfast. Here's what I got. Our last breakfast for today because we're leaving today, so I'm gonna miss eating this and I have to make my own breakfast when I go home. It's sad, but yeah, I'm about to eat, drink my mimosa. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's currently 10:45 and checkout is at 11, so I'm about to go check out soon. Then I'm gonna put my suitcase by the lobby and I'm gonna go chill by the pool because my flight is at 4 o'clock, so I'm just gonna stay here for a little while until it's time for me to go to the airport. But it's time to say goodbye. I'm gonna miss it here so much. So I decided to come by the pool. I can't really record here because the music. So before I head to the airport, I'm about to have some lunch. It's currently 1 o'clock and I'm leaving to the airport around 1:30. So I'm about to eat some food.
And yeah, I'll show you guys what I get. So here's what I got for lunch. I got some pasta and I got some fried plantains and chicken. So I just got to the airport, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.